You have some support in your life at the moment, dear Capricorn, and it's newly found support in your life. It will be incredibly courageous of you and also quite wise of you to take this support on. I know that being a Capricorn, you're the goat, you're so capable, you can do everything and anything and so on and so forth. At the end of the day, however, your body ends up paying for it. Don't forget that. As capable as you are, there are certain points where the body starts to give way. I know it's going to sound quite strange. There's only so much pressure that you can handle without... The body has its own way of handling things, and the mind has a very different way of handling things. And what I really want to get across is eventually it shows through the body. And so the support that you have in your life is here to allow you to give some energy and attention to your health and focus on making some really simple changes and simple and consistent changes that will support you to also shift what feels like a little bit of a dark cloud that sits somewhere in the back of your mind. So it's connected to your health. It could be, for example, that you've got support in your life, and so you get a little bit more time to yourself, and in that time to yourself you may learn a little bit more about certain foods or research, and you realize there's something missing from your diet. You bring that into your diet and you start to notice your mind feels clearer, more open. Whatever it is that you change in your diet starts to shift your sleep pattern. You start to feel a lot better. That's the example that I'm giving. It is definitely connected to your health, and I wonder how much of that example is actually what is occurring for the Capricorns. Most importantly is accepting the support. The support will remain in your life for about 6 to 7 months. You have 6 to 7 months to focus more of your energy and attention on your health, which is actually really important for you. Because also, the more you're able to focus on your health, get better quality food or better quality sleep, and it affects your mental health, the better your ideas are and your capacity to bring success into your life.